Key to selling in our changing market is understanding where the housing market is now. It's not the same market we had a year or even earlier this year, but that doesn't mean the opportunity to sell has passed. While things have cooled a bit, it's still a seller's market. When you work with a trusted local expert to price your house at the current market value, the demand is still there, and it should sell quickly. According to a recent survey from Realtor.com, 92% of homeowners who sold in August reported being satisfied with the outcome of their sale. So the bottom line, buyer demand hasn't disappeared. It's just moderated this year.